Investors dumped US stocks on Friday due to a weaker than expected jobs report, raising concerns about slowing economic growth. A weak jobs report increased fears that the Federal Reserve's decision to keep rates high may deepen the economic slowdown. On Friday, the Nasdaq Composite dropped 2.4%, entering correction territory. Intel's shares dropped 26%, hitting 50-year low. Wall Street's fear gauge, the VIX, hit its highest level since March 2023, with Treasury yields slipping and the dollar falling. Oil futures fell on Friday, marking a fourth consecutive weekly decline, as demand concerns in China and the US overshadowed conflict fears. Goldman Sachs increased the US recession probability to 25% from 15%, but noted reasons not to fear a downturn despite rising unemployment. China's services activity grew in July with new orders, though overseas demand slowed. PMI rose to 52.1, expanding 19 months. Global stocks fell sharply Monday, with Asian markets hit hard. Japan's Nikkei 225 dropped 6.7% before partially recovering amid Federal Reserve policy concerns. Nifty 50 snapped a 5-day winning streak on 2nd August. At close, Nifty was down 1.17% or 293.2 points at 24,717.7. Nifty fell on 2nd August with a down gap and closed near the intraday low. This gap has been formed near the psychological level of 25,000. Nifty and Sensex reversed an 8-week winning streak on Friday's decline, falling 0.47% over the week. Some downward momentum can continue towards the 24,210 to 24,461 band. Investors may look to lighten their positions and take partial profits. On up moves, 24,857 to 24,956 band could provide resistance.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.